Aslima and Assalamu alaikum. So today I have an OST. वो है बंदिश ड्रामे का, and it's been requested over I think a couple of times. So yeah, चलिए देखते हैं। रह जाए जो अधूरा है इश्क वही, सोच लिया तो ख्वाब था मेरा। Horror. अच्छा. Nice. No, that's terrifying.
पता नहीं कैसे बंदिश अहमदी की बेटियों पे शादी होते होते रुक जाती है। पिछली बार भी दूल्हा शादी की रात को मर गया था। पिछली बार भी दूल्हा शादी की रात को मर गया था।
कोई चेहरा है मेरे चेहरे पर,
मनहूस सा इस घर पर मंडला रहे,
देखता है
बल्ला जिनके कब्जे में है बाबा चुड़ैल के,
मुझे घूरता है एक सन्नाटा मेरी आंखों में, कोई बंदिश है मेरी सांसों में, मेरी रग रग में रेंगता है कोई, मेरी नस नस में चीखता है कोई।
शहर में आपके जादू का चर्चा बोलेगा। ये घर आसेब ज़दा है, किसी ने काला जादू कर रखा है ऊपर।
बहुत ही खौफनाक है। I love the song actually. वो Abbas Ali Khan, the singer and composer, he has kept the the खौफनाक side, but also the kind of desperate side. What shall I do now? That weak side. In both in singing and composition, which is truly nice. It's truly nice. It's not really like only terrifying. So yeah, it has the that kind of vulnerability of जब किसी शख्स पे ये सब गुजर रहा होता है, जब कोई शख्स ये सब चीज़ों को फेस कर रहा होता है, like in that situation, अल्लाह ना करे आप सबको, may Allah bless you all and keep you safe from all these things. But yeah, producer, I think Fahad Mustafa and Ali Kazmi have done another horror drama. Maybe, I don't know. Horror as a genre is really rare in Pakistani TV, and yeah, rightfully so. मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं. I don't know. I think there was Ishq Mein Kafir. There was Neeli Zinda Hai. Oops, Neeli Zinda Hai was Humayun Saeed and Shehzad Nasib. It's not Fahad and Ali Kazmi. Okay, let's carry on. But it's really, really, really terrifying. बहुत से ज़्यादा. 1, 2, 3 go.
इस मनहूस जादू से मेरा पीछा छुड़ा दो।
मैंने ये सफर अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचने के लिए किया है, मैं हार मानने वाली हूँ।
ये कारी कारी अकेली सी रातें हैं, वो सोनी सोनी सी रातों की बातें हैं।
आपने मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी।
बातों में ये कैसे अंधेरे साए हैं,
अगर कोई
भूत है या कोई काला जादू है तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में है।
सांसों में मेरी जो
बासे बासे बासे, अरे पागल हो गई।
राय
मुझे चंडाल बनना है।
एक सन्नाटा
No, truly, that's next level. Like all the symbols, all the things, all the Kala Jadoo elements are there. Okay, but voice and singing techniques are above all. Mashallah, I'm truly impressed. He's really good, and his voice is not really वो familiar है. I guess I heard him. I need to figure out.
मेरी सांसों में मेरी जो
बासे बासे बासे, अरे पागल हो गई।
राय
मुझे चंडाल बनना है।
एक सन्नाटा मेरी आंखों में कोई बंदिश है। मेरी सांसों में मेरी रग रग में रेंगता
Small girl, oh my.
मेरी नस में चीखता है कोई।
Oh my god, Big Bang. Okay. Yeah. This is like very terrifying. Yes, I am seeing the comments. Really, Allah protect करें बस हमको हम सबको. I think वो सबसे ज़्यादा there is evil and then there are people who do this, who do practice all of these things. But yeah, as an artistic genre too, मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. Until and unless it's done really well, you know? Like, it cannot be really like Raz or... मैंने Raz और ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने बहुत पहले देखा. I mean, all these Ram Gopal Varman, all those Bollywood type horror. And I think that was my stupidity, my... क्या कहते हैं? You know, छोटा mind. But yeah, in general मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं पसंद. Yes, I think the ones who do horror for a purpose, for a great message, for depth, वो है Malayalam cinema. That's Bollywood. Yeah, I think for me, Pakistani serials, I fell in love with them because they are realistic or symbolic or about life, about philosophy, about you cannot watch Ishq Zahra Nasib या फिर ये रहा दिल और दास्तान क्या Kalandar and all these and then you cannot shift. So yeah, I have such a but I see some good क्या कहते हैं निशानियाँ, good इशारे. I think it's a well done drama. It's well directed, I see Hiramani, I loved her in Kashf. Kind of similar vibes, superstitious, mysterious or I think. Also Zubab Rana, she's such a soft face, comfortable presence है उनकी. I love her. I really love her. And किसी ने देखा हो तो please बताना, how was it? How was the ending of all these Kala Jadoo acts? All I can remember is Neeli Zinda Hai and Ishq Mein Kafir. So yes, there were some. I've seen a telefilm maybe. There was Sami Khan and Nazish Jahangir. It was excellent. उसमें ये सारी there were some elements of magic and all, but it's not the main axis. उसका जो premise है और उसका message, it's deeper, it's real, I think if you want to see it, just hurry up देखे. It's outstanding. I will see the name, रज्जो बनेगी दुल्हन. It's outstanding. और वो जो the ending, it's unexpected, it's shocking, it's क्या कहते हैं, mind blowing यार, goosebumps, and you feel this girl, you feel all her hopes, struggles, fears, everything, you know, it's crazy. And I think there was a drama in Green also, so yeah. I think I should encourage the makers to explore all genres, but please do not lose the real essence. जिसकी वजह से me and many others are falling in love with Pakistani TV. So please, ज़्यादा commercial ना बने, ज़्यादा horrific, horror type ना बनाए, ज़्यादा, you know, even the romantic जो genre है, it does not have to be like excessive. So मेरे लिए जो खूबसूरत तरीन, बेहतरीन type of romance है वो जाने जहां में है, and वो मन मायन में है.
छोटे से दिल समझा की तरह नाल मनाया अखियां तेरे नाल क्यों लाई.
Top. वो ये रहा दिल में भी है, and also दिल जानम जाहिद अहमद हिना. So see, these are unforgettable. So for me, it was always, Pakistani TV was always about matchless, unforgettable masterpieces. So please carry the essence. Even if you do you do explore other not very usual genres. That's it. I loved the singing performance. I think when you explore OSTs, you get to know amazing artists, like truly awesome people, जो ज़्यादा commercialized नहीं है, ज़्यादा मतलब they do not have that massive streaming or yeah. I think these are some, you know, these artists are just pure-hearted and made for legends, legend wale audiences. So thank you for helping me explore new OSTs and awesome ones. You know, even behind cameras, when I'm not doing reactions, I will always be searching and exploring new OSTs. That's why kabhi I cannot do a reaction क्योंकि मैं देख रही होती, सुन चुकी होती. So I just do the post thing on the channel. Maybe a review, maybe. So yeah, that's all. I hope you loved it and thank you बेहद ज़्यादा. See you soon. लिख जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के सितारे हो गए. लिख जो खत तुझे